Good morning, students. I hope all are fine by the grace of God. So let us continue with exercise 3.5 problems. So already we have seen first three problems. Now we'll see the fourth question. Solve 2 into square root of x by a plus 3 into square root of a by x is equal to b by a plus 6a by b. So what is our question? 2 into square root of x by a plus 3 into square root of a by x is equal to b by a plus 6a by b. So to cancel the square root, we can square. So squaring on both sides. So left hand side we will have 2 times of square root of x by a plus 3 times of square root of a by x the whole square, and the right hand side b by a plus 6a by b the whole square. So it is in the form of a plus b the whole square. So a square 2 square root of x by a the whole square, b square 3 into square root of a by x the whole square plus 2ab. 2 into a is what? 2 times of square root of x by a into b is what? 3 times of square root of a by x. So this is left hand side. And what is the right hand side? It is also in the form of what? A plus b the whole square. So a square b by a the whole square and b square 6a by b the whole square plus 2ab. So 2 into a is b by a and b is 6a by b. Okay. So now if we square this, 2 square is what? 4, and square root and square will be cancelled. So 4 times of x by a plus here 9 times of a by x plus here 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 12 times of the square root of x by a, we can write it as what? Square root of x by square root of a, and square root of a by x we can write as what? Square root of a by square root of x. So square root of a, square root of a cancel, square root of x, square root of x cancel. So this is the left hand side. And right hand side b by a the whole square. So b square by a square plus 6a by b the whole square. 6 square is what? 36. So 36 a square by b square. And here this a will be cancelled, b will be cancelled. So 2 6 are 12. சரிங்களா? அப்ப 4 times of x by a plus 9 times of a by x plus 12 is equal to b square by a square plus 36 times of a square by b square plus 12. So both sides we can cancel 12. ஏனா the plus 12 is the minus 12. So 12 minus 12 will be 0. Now here we cross multiply 4x into x. 4x square a into 9a. 9a square a into x. ax is equal to right hand side b square into b square b power 4 plus a square into 36 a square. So 36 a power 4 by a square into b square. So now we have 4x square plus 9a square by ax is equal to b power 4 plus 36a power 4 by a square and b square. Here we can cancel a and a square. சரிங்களா? அப்ப இங்க எது மட்டும் தான் ரைட் சைடுல டினாமினேட்டர்ல ab ஸ்கொயர் மட்டும் இருக்கும். அத மட்டும் லெஃப்ட் சைடு எடுத்து மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்க. So ab square into 4x square plus 9a square is equal to left hand side denominator எது மட்டும் இருக்கும்? x மட்டும் இருக்கும். அந்த சைடு போனா மல்டிப்ளை ஆயிடும். So x times of b power 4 plus 36 a power 4. X times of b power 4 plus 36 a power 4. So finally we have ab square into 4x square plus 9a square is equal to b power 4 plus 36a power 4 into x. So multiply ab square inside. So 4ab square x square plus 9a into a square a cube and b square plus b power 4 plus 36a power 4 into x. இந்த x டேர்ம் அப்படியே வச்சுக்கோங்க. சரியா? இப்போ என்ன பண்ணுங்க, x டேர்மை லெஃப்ட் சைடு கொண்டு வாங்க. லெஃப்ட் சைடு கொண்டு வந்தா 4ab square x square minus of b power 4 plus 36a power 4 into x plus 9a cube b square is equal to 0. So now we got a quadratic equation 4ab square x square minus b power 4 plus 36a power 4 into x plus 9a cube b square. That is x square term, x term, constant term. So it is looking like what? Quadratic equation. So we have to factorize this quadratic equation. How we have to factorize? Take the coefficient of x square, multiply with the constant term. So 4 9s are 36, a into a cube, a power 4, b square into b square, b power 4. And what is x term? Minus of b power 4 plus 36a power 4. Another minus b power 4 minus 36a power 4. Another multiply பண்ணா 36a power 4 into b power 4. Add பண்ணா minus b power 4 minus 36a power 4. So we will take 36a power 4 and b power 4. Apply minus. Minus into minus plus 36a power 4 into b power 4 is what? 36a power 4 b power 4. So add பண்ணா minus 36a power 4 minus b power 4. But what is the coefficient of x square? 4ab square. அதனால பண்ணோம் divide பண்ணனும். So 4ab square. அதே மாதிரி ரைட் சைடுல 4ab square. So இது divide பண்ணி பாருங்க. So minus 36a power 4 by 4ab square. 1 4 is 4. 9 4s are 36. இந்த a வையும் a power 4 ஐயும் கேன்சல் பண்ணா நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? a cube கிடைக்கும். So அந்த b square அப்படியே இருக்கு. அப்ப நமக்கு எது கிடைக்கும்? minus 9a cube by b square. எது கிடைக்கும்? minus 9a cube by b square. So first factor is what? minus 9a cube by b square. Minus b power 4 by 4 times of ab square. So minus b power 4 4 times of ab square. So the b square b power 4 cancel பண்ணா நமக்கு கிடைக்கும் b square கிடைக்கும். So minus b square by 4a. So the second factor is what? Minus b square by 4a. So the factors are x minus 9a cube by b square into x minus b square by 4a equal to 0. So first factor x minus 9a cube by b square equal to 0. X is equal to 9a cube by b square. And second one x minus b square by 4a equal to 0. X is equal to b square by 4a. Therefore the roots are 9a cube by b square and b square by 4a. Now we can see the new topic, reciprocal equation. What is reciprocal equation? In a polynomial equation, if we replace x by 1 by x in the equation, then we can get back the same equation. Then it is called what? Reciprocal equation. So you will see the example 2x square minus 5x plus 2. Suppose p of x is equal to 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. So we will replace x by what? 1 by x. So wherever x comes, replace by 1 by x. So 2 into 1 by x the whole square minus 5 into 1 by x plus 2 equal to 0. So 2 into 1 square is what? 1. X square is what? X square minus 5 into 1 by x plus 2 equal to 0. அதாவது 2 by x square minus 5 by x plus 2 equal to 0. So what is LCM of x square and x? X square. So first fraction we don't need to change, keep as it is. ஏனா denominator அந்த x square தான் இருக்கு. Second fraction ஓட denominator பாரு x மட்டும் தான் இருக்கு. நம்ம என்ன மாத்தணும்? x square ஆ மாத்தணும். அப்ப மேல x ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்க, கீழ x ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்க. அப்ப -5x. Third fraction denominator என்னவா இருக்குதோ 1 இருக்குதா அர்த்தம். சோ இங்க நம்ம denominator என்ன வரணும்? x square ஆ மாறணும். அப்ப மேல x square ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்க, கீழ x square ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்க. அப்ப என்ன கிடைக்கும்? 2x square whole divided by 2 equal to 0. இந்த division to அப்ளை பண்ணலாம், multiply to ஆயிடும். So 2 into 0 is what? 0. So we'll get 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. So அப்ப x க்கு நம்ம 1 by x போட்டாலும் நமக்கு எந்த equation கிடைக்குது? We get the same equation, 2x square minus 5x plus 2. So this is called what? Reciprocal equation. Let us see the definition. A polynomial p of x of degree n is said to be a reciprocal polynomial if one of the following conditions is true. Any one of the condition. What is that? P of x is equal to x bar n into p of 1 by x. இது வந்து டைப் 1 னு சொல்றாங்க. அதே மாதிரி p of x is equal to minus x bar n into p of 1 by x. This is type 2. So we will see what is x bar n into p of 1 by x and minus x bar n into p of 1 by x. The definition of reciprocal equation, and what we will see what is type 1 and type 2. Okay, a polynomial equation. So what is general form of polynomial equation? A n x bar n plus a n minus 1 x bar n minus 1 plus a n minus 2 x bar n minus 2 and so on. A2 x square plus a1x plus a0 equal to 0, where the coefficient of x bar n, an, is not equal to 0, is a reciprocal equation if and only if one of the following two statements is true. So what is the first statement? An is equal to a0, an minus 1 equal to a1, an minus 2 equal to a2 and so on. So what is the meaning of that? The coefficients from the beginning are equal to the coefficients from the end. See that from the beginning what is our first coefficient? An, and from the end what is the coefficient? a0. So an is equal to a0. அதே மாதிரி from the beginning what is the second coefficient? an minus 1. From the end what is our second coefficient? a1. So an minus 1 is equal to a1. So likewise an minus 2 is equal to a2. So an is equal to a0, an minus 1 is equal to a1, an minus 2 is equal to a2. What will be next? An minus 3 is equal to a3. It goes like this. So this is the first condition. So this is what the type 1. So what is type 1? P of x is equal to x bar n into p of 1 by x. So நம்ம x க்கு 1 by x னு போடும்போது மட்டும் தான் நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? இது மாதிரி statements கிடைக்கும். So this is the type 1. The coefficients from the beginning are equal to the coefficients from the end. And what is type 2? an is equal to minus a0, an minus 1 is equal to minus a1, an minus 2 is equal to minus a2. So here only one difference. So what is the difference? The coefficients from the beginning are equal to the coefficients from the end, but what is that? Only in magnitude, but in what? Opposite side. சரியா? So an is equal to minus a0. First condition to second condition ஒரே ஒரு சின்ன changes தான். It will be in same magnitude, but in what? Opposite side. So this is second condition. அதாவது p of x is equal to minus x bar n into p of 1 by x. So this is what the type 2. அப்ப reciprocal equation இருக்குனா ரெண்டு கண்டிஷன் இருக்கு. What is the first condition? The coefficients from the beginning are equal to the coefficients from the end. And what is the second condition? The coefficients from the beginning are equal to the coefficient from the end, only in magnitude, but in what? Opposite side. Okay? So this is type 1 and type 2. we will see example for reciprocal equation of type 1. So what is reciprocal equation of type 1? The coefficients from the beginning are equal to the coefficients from the end. So the coefficient from the beginning, first coefficient 6, from the end, what is the first coefficient? 6. So 6 is equal to 6. And the second coefficient, here the coefficient of x power 4 is what? 1 from the beginning, and from the end the coefficient of x is what? 1. And from the beginning, what is the coefficient of x cube? Minus 43. And from the end, the coefficient of x square is what? Minus 43. So that is a n is equal to a naught, a n minus 1 is equal to a1, a n minus 2 is equal to a2. It goes like this. So this is what the reciprocal equation of type 1. And for type 2, we will see the example 6x power 5 minus 41x power 4 plus 97x cube minus 97x square plus 41x minus 6. So the coefficient from the beginning is what? 6, and coefficient from the end is what? Minus 6. So here this is the condition. It will be in equal in magnitude but in what? Opposite sign. And second coefficient minus 41 from the beginning, and from the end is what? Plus 41. So equal in magnitude but in what? Opposite sign. And third coefficient 97 from the beginning, and from the end is what? Minus 97. So they are equal in magnitude but in what? Opposite sign. So this is what? Type 2 reciprocal equation. The reciprocal equation cannot have 0 as a solution. So அப்ப reciprocal equation கண்டிப்பா அது 0 வந்து சொல்யூஷனா இருக்க முடியாது. ஏன் 0 வந்து சொல்யூஷனா இருக்க முடியாது? Because 0 by 1 is what? 0. What is its reciprocal? 1 by 0. Actually 0 க்கு நாது reciprocal இல்ல. சரியா? So they are not equal. So அப்ப 0 கண்டிப்பா என்ன இருக்க முடியாது? சொல்யூஷனா இருக்க முடியாது. And second one, the coefficients and the solutions are not restricted to be real. கண்டிப்பா ரியலா இருக்கணும்னு அவசியம் இல்ல. So this is what the second remark. Now we will see some important results. First result, for an odd degree reciprocal equation. We know what is degree of the equation. Suppose if the polynomial is in x means what? The highest power of x only what? Degree. So if for an odd degree reciprocal equation of type 1, we know what is type 1. X is equal to minus 1 must be a solution. Then we ask in one more question. So listen carefully. And second one, for an odd degree reciprocal equation of type 2, x is equal to plus 1 must be a solution. Next one, for an even degree reciprocal equation of type 2, the middle term must be 0. So for this type only, for even degree reciprocal equation of type 2 only, we are getting what? Middle term is 0. Also, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1 are solutions. Further, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1 are solutions. For an even degree reciprocal equation, by taking x plus 1 by x or x minus 1 by x as y, we can get again a polynomial equation. So solving this polynomial equation, we can get the roots. Exercise 3.5, fifth sum, first part. Solve the equations 6x power 4 minus 35x cube plus 62x square minus 35x plus 6 equal to 0. So what is the degree of this polynomial equation? 4. Why? Because the highest power of x is what? 4. So degree is for 4. 4 is a what? Even number. And also see that the coefficient from the beginning 6 and from the end is what? 6. So 6 is equal to 6. And coefficient from the beginning minus 35 is equal to what? Minus 35. Sarila? So what is this? This is type 1. This is type 1. So this is an even degree reciprocal equation. reciprocal equation of type 1. சரிங்களா? So we'll take the equation 6x power 4 minus 35x cubed plus 62x square minus 35x plus 6 equal to 0. So for this, divide by x square. If you divide by x square, 6x square will get, because what? X power 4 by x square. What is x power 4? X square into x square by x square. So x square will be cancelled, we'll get x square. So அப்ப the 6x power 4 x square divide பண்ணா நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? 6x square minus 35 இந்த x cube by x square divide பண்ணு. x square divide பண்ண the x cube நம்ம எப்படி எழுதலாம்? x into x square by x square. So x square cancel, we'll get x. So x cube x square divide பண்ணா நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? x கிடைக்கும். So the x square divide பண்ணா we'll get only 62 minus 35 x by x square. X by x square. This x we can keep as it is, but x square what? X into x. So x will be cancelled. We'll get what? 1 by x. So 35 into 1 by x. 35 into 1 by x, and here 6 by x square equal to 0. So we can rewrite this. So now we will see first term 6x square and the last term is what? 6 by x square. So you can take 6 as common. If you take 6 as common, we'll get what? X square plus 1 by x square. And from the second term, here minus 35x, here minus 35 by x. I take minus 35 as common. So x இங்க என்ன இருக்கும்? நமக்கு 1 by x. ஏன்னா minus into plus minus into plus minus. This 62 we can keep as it is. So 62 equal to 0. So நம்ம ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம படிச்சோம் கடைசியா அந்த ரிசல்ட்ல for even degree reciprocal equation we can replace x plus 1 by x what? Y. So take x plus 1 by x is equal to what? Y. இத ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணுங்க, ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணா என்ன கிடைக்கும்? x plus 1 by x the whole square is equal to y square. Is in the form of what? A plus b the whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b is equal to y square. So x will be cancelled. We'll get plus 1 by x square plus 2 is equal to y square. Appo x square plus 1 by x square is equal to what? Y square minus 2. So the value of x square plus 1 by x square equal to what? Y square minus 2, and x plus 1 by x is equal to what? Y we have taken. Finally we got the equation 6 into x square plus 1 by x square minus 35 into x plus 1 by x plus 62 equal to 0. So we have taken y is equal to what? X plus 1 by x. We have taken y is equal to what? X plus 1 by x, and x square plus 1 by x square we have taken as what? Y square minus 2. So replace that. So 6 into x square plus 1 by x square equal to what? Y square minus 2 minus 35 into what is x plus 1 by x? We have taken y plus 62 equal to 0. So multiply 6 inside, 6y square minus 6 2s are 12 minus 35y plus 62 equal to 0. So 6y square minus 35y, 62 minus 12 is what? Plus 50 equal to 0. So factorize this. How we have to factorize? Take the coefficient of y square, multiply with the constant term. So 6 5s are 30. So 6 into 50 is what? 300 and minus 35. So multiply panna plus 300, add panna minus 35. So 20 into 15 is what? 300. So I'll take minus into minus plus. 20 into 15 is what? 300. Minus 20 minus 15 add panna minus 35. But see the coefficient of y square 6. So divide by 6. If you divide by 6, I can take 10 2s are 20 and 3 2s are what? 6. Here I can cancel by 3. 5 3s are 15. 2 3s are 6. Therefore y minus 10 by 3 into y minus 5 by 2 equal to 0. So y minus 10 by 3 equal to 0. Y is equal to 10 by 3 and y minus 5 by 2 equal to 0. Y is equal to 5 by 2. But what is the value of y? We have taken x plus 1 by x. So first one, x plus 1 by x is equal to 10 by 3. So cross multiply. If we cross multiply x into x, x square plus 1 by x is equal to 10 by 3. So in the division 3 inside the multiple 3. So 3 times of x square plus 1 is equal to 10 times of x. ஏன்னா இந்த division x inside பண்ணா multiple x. So 3x square plus 3. இந்த plus 10x inside the minus 10x equal to 0. So I can rearrange this 3x square minus 10x plus 3 equal to 0. Factorize பண்ணு. Take the coefficient of x square, multiply with the constant term. 3 3s are 9 and coefficient of x is what? Minus 10. So multiply panna 9, add panna minus 10. So minus 9 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus, 9 ones are 9. Minus 9 minus 1 add panna minus 10. But what is the coefficient of x square? 3. So divide by 3. If we divide by 3, we will get 3 and minus 1 by 3 are the factors. So we can write it as what? X minus 3 into x minus 1 by 3 equal to 0. X minus 3 equal to 0. X is equal to 3. And x minus 1 by 3 equal to 0. X is equal to 1 by 3. See that 3 கிடைக்குது அது reciprocal 1 by 3 கிடைக்குது. And what is the second one? Y is equal to 5 by 2. But what is the value of 5? X plus 1 by x equal to 5 by 2. Cross multiply பண்ணா x square plus 1 by x is equal to 5 by 2. So in the division inside the multiple 2. So 2 times of x square plus 1 is equal to 5 times of x. So multiply 2 inside 2x square plus 2 equal to 5x. In the plus 5x inside the minus 5x. So 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. Factorize பண்ணு. Take the coefficient of x square, multiply with the constant term. 2 2s are 4 and coefficient of x is what? Minus 5. So minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4. Minus 4 in minus 1 add பண்ணா minus 5. So what is the coefficient of x square? 2. So divide by 2. If you divide by 2, we will get minus 2 and minus 1 by 2. So the factors are x minus 2 into x minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. X minus 2 equal to 0. X is equal to 2. X minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. X is equal to 1 by 2. So here also we are getting what? Reciprocal. 2 and 1 by 2. So what are the roots? Therefore the roots are, so what is our first two roots? 3, 1 by 3, 2 and 1 by 2. Because the degree is what? 4. So you must get 4 roots. 3 and 1 by 3 reciprocal. 2 and 1 by 2 is what? Reciprocal. So fifth question, second part. Solve x power 4 plus 3x cube minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. So what is the degree of this equation? 4. So 4 is a what? Even number. Also you see the coefficient from the beginning and coefficient from the end. Here 1 and there is what? Minus 1. So 1 and minus 1. And here 3 and minus 3. So also you must note here, so there is no middle term. So there is no middle term. So in the equation middle term irukadu. Even degree reciprocal equation. Even degree reciprocal equation of type 2. Of type 2 ல மட்டும் தான் அது middle term இருக்காது. இங்க பாரு middle term ல அது ஒரு குழு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அதே மாதிரி அது this is an even degree. Also what? Coefficient from the beginning and coefficient from the end are equal in magnitude but in what? Opposite side. 3 minus 3. So these are the clues. So what is this? Even degree reciprocal equation of type 2. So this is an even degree reciprocal equation of type 2. For an even degree reciprocal equation, there is no middle term. Also what? X is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1 are the roots. Or the roots of the given polynomial equation. So I take first x is equal to 1 is a root. We can use synthetic division. The coefficient of x power 4 1 and the coefficient of x cube 3. Here there is no coefficient of x square. So for that we have to put what? 0. And coefficient of x is what? Minus 3. Constant term minus 1. So what is our first root? 1. So second row first entry 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 1 into 4, 4, 0 plus 4, 4, 1 into 4, 4, 4 minus 3, 1, 1 into 1, 1. So remainder is what? 0. So we can rewrite this x power 4 plus 3x cube minus 3x minus 1 is what? X minus 1. So root ஆயிடும்போது plus 1 ஆயிடணும், factor ஆயிடும்போது minus 1 ஆயிடணும். இது constant term, x square term, x cube term. So x cube plus 4x square plus 4x plus 1. So now we will see this cubic equation. So take this cubic equation and write the coefficients. X cube or the coefficient, x square the coefficient 4, x or the coefficient 4 and constant term 1. So already we have used x is equal to 1 is a root. Now we can use x is equal to minus 1. So take it minus 1 as a root. Second row first entry is 0. 1 plus 0, 1. Minus into plus, minus 1 into 1, 1. 4 minus 1, 3. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. 4 minus 3 is what? 1. Minus into plus, minus 1 into 1, 1. So 0. So 4x square plus 4x plus 1 is equal to what? X plus 1. So the minus 1 and root ஆகும்போது factor ஆகும்போது என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? X plus 1 into constant term, x square term. So x square plus 3x plus 1. So now you have to concentrate this. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So take the coefficient of x square, multiply with the constant term. So 1 into 1, 1. X oda coefficient 3. So multiply panna 1, add panna 3. So we have no possibilities. For that we can use quadratic formula. So coefficient of x square a 1, coefficient of x b 3, constant term c 1. So what is quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So minus b minus 3 plus or minus square root of b square, 3 square is what? 9 minus 4 into the value of a is what? 1 and the value of c is what? 1 by 2a. 2 into 1 is what? 2. So minus 3 plus or minus square root of 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 9 minus 4 is what? 5 by 2. So minus 3 plus or minus square root of 5 by 2. So these are the other two roots. Minus 3 plus or minus square root of 5 by 2. சரிங்களா? அப்ப நம்ம நாலு ரூட் கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. ஏனா degree is what? 4. So what are the roots? Therefore the roots are x is equal to minus 1 plus 1 minus 3 plus or minus square root of 5 by 2. Now exercise 3.5 sixth sum. Find all real numbers satisfying the equation 4 power x minus 3 into 2 power x plus 2 plus 2 power 5 equal to 0. So what is our given equation? 4 power x minus 3 into 2 power x plus 2 plus 2 power 5 equal to 0. This 4 I can write as what? 2 square again power x minus 3 into this 2 power x plus 2 we can write it as what? 2 power x into 2 power 2. Why? Because a power m into a power n is equal to what? A power m plus n. So likewise 2 power x plus 2 is what? 2 power x into 2 power 2. And what is 2 power 5? Is 32 equal to 0. This 2 power 2 the whole power x I can write as what? 2 power x the whole power 2. Why? Because a power m the whole power n is what? A power m into n, and a power n the whole power m is what? A power n into n. So both are same only. Adala 2 power 2 the whole power x nalo one da, 2 power x the whole power 2 nalo one da. 2 power 2 the whole power x we can write as what? 2 power x the whole power 2 minus 3 into 2 power x. What is the value of 2 power 2? 4 plus 32 equal to 0. So 2 power x the whole power 2, 3 into 4, 12. So minus 12 times of x plus 32 equal to 0. So what is our equation? 2 power x the whole power 2 minus 12 times of 2 power x plus 32 equal to 0. So we will take y is equal to 2 power x. So it will be y square minus 12 times of y plus 32 equal to 0. So take the coefficient of y square, multiply with constant term. 1 into 32, 32, and coefficient of y is what? Minus 12. Minus into minus plus, 8 4s are 32, minus 8 minus 4 minus 12. So the factors are y minus 8 into y minus 4 equal to 0. Y minus 8 equal to 0. Y is equal to 8. And y minus 4 equal to 0. Y is equal to 4. But what is the value of y we have taken? 2 power x. So 2 power x is equal to this 8 we can write as what? 2 power 3. So base equal irukku, appo power kandipa irukum, equal irukum. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4, but y we have taken as what? 2 power x, and 4 we can write as what? 2 power 2. So 2 power x is equal to 2 power 2 means what? X is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to 2 and 3, which belongs to what? Real numbers. We are going to learn Descartes' rule. What is Descartes' rule? So before going to learn Descartes' rule, we will learn about change of sign in the coefficients. Consider this polynomial 2x power 7 minus 3x power 6 minus 4x power 5 plus 5x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 7x plus 8. So what is the sign of the first term? Plus second term minus third term minus fourth term plus. So what is the sign of first term? Plus second term minus. So sign change agupanga plus 2 minus. So first sign changes. Then second to third minus 2 minus single sign change agum. Next paranga minus 2 plus. Minus வந்து sign change ஆகுது plus ஆ மாறுது. அப்ப இது second changes. Plus 2 plus அது changes இல்ல. Next பாருங்க plus 2 minus அப்ப third sign changes. Then minus 2 plus 4 sign changes. So this is what the change of sign in the coefficients of the given polynomials. If you know this only, we can learn about Descartes' rule. So what is Descartes' rule? If P is the number of positive zeros of a polynomial p of x with real coefficients. So what is p? Number of positive zeros, and s is the number of sign changes in coefficients of p of x, then s minus p. What is s? Number of sign changes in the coefficients, and what is p? Number of positive roots of the polynomial p of x. So then s minus p is a non-negative even integer. So the theorem states that the number of positive roots of a polynomial p of x cannot be more than the number of sign changes in the coefficients of p of x. Also it's saying that the number of sign changes in the coefficients of p of x minus the number of positive roots of the polynomial p of x is an even number. So in Descartes' rule, we have seen about the positive zeros. Now we are going to see about negative zeros. So the number of negative zeros of the polynomial p of x cannot be more than number of sign changes in coefficients of p of minus x. அதாவது p of x இந்த polynomial எடுத்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், x க்கு பதிலா minus x ன்னு ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், sign changes கண்டுபிடிப்போம். So the number of negative zeros of the polynomial p of x cannot be more than the number of sign changes in the coefficients of p of minus x. Exercise 3.6, first question. Discuss the maximum possible number of positive and negative roots of the polynomial equation 9x power 9 minus 4x power 8 plus 4x power 7 minus 3x power 6 plus 2x power 5 plus x cube plus 7x square plus 7x plus 2 equal to 0. So here there is no x power 4 term, so we don't bother about the x power 4 term. So our given polynomial we will take as what? P of x. So P of x is equal to 9x power 9 minus 4x power 8 plus 4x power 7 minus 3x power 6 plus 2x power 5 plus x cube plus 7x square plus 7x plus 2 equal to 0. So now we have to find number of sign changes. நல்லா பாருங்க, இது plus இங்க minus. So plus 2 minus 1. சரிங்களா? அதுக்கப்புறம் minus 4 to plus 4. Again 1. அதுக்கப்புறம் plus 4 and minus 3 sign changes. Then minus 3 to plus 2. Again sign changes. Then plus 2 to plus 1. No sign changes. எல்லாமே பாரு plus 7x cube plus 7x plus 2. So totally how many number of sign changes? 4. So number of sign changes in coefficients of p of x is equal to what? 4. So which implies p of x cannot have more than 4 positive roots. Which implies p of x cannot have more than 4 positive roots by Descartes' rule. Now we will find p of minus x. So wherever x comes in p of x, we can replace minus x. So x power minus x power 9 is what? Minus x power 9. So எப்பவுமே minus ஓட power odd number ஆனா outcome என்ன இருக்கும்? minus ஆ தான் இருக்கும். So அதனால minus 9x power 9. x power 8 க்கு minus x ஆ போட்டா as it is. So minus 4x power 8. So what is p of minus x? எங்கெல்லாம் x வருதோ இந்த polynomial p of x ல minus x ன்னு போடு. நல்லா கவனிச்சீங்க. So minus x ஓட பவர், அதாவது மைனஸ் ஓட பவர் ஆட் நம்பரா இருந்தா அவுட்கம் மைனஸ், ஈவன் நம்பரா இருந்தா பிளஸ் தான் வரும். சரிங்களா? அப்ப பாருங்க இங்க x power 9, அப்ப minus x power 9 என்ன ஆகும்? minus x power 9, அதனால minus 9 x power 9. So x power 8 minus x போட்டாலும் என்ன இருக்கும்? as it is the x power 8. So இது sign change ஆகுது, அப்படியே வச்சுக்கங்க. So minus 4x power 8. இங்க x power 7, இந்த x power 7 க்கு minus x ஆ மாத்துங்க. அப்ப நம்ம அவுட்கம் என்ன ஆகும்? மைனஸ் ஆ மாறும். So minus 4x power 7. இங்க x power 6 minus x ஆ போட்டாலும் இது x power 6 ஆ தான் இருக்கும், sign change ஆகுது. அதனால minus into plus minus. So minus 3x power 6. இங்க பாருங்க x power 5. So minus x ஆ ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணா என்ன ஆகும்? இங்க minus x power 5 ஆயிடும். அப்ப plus into minus minus. So minus 2x power 5. அதே போல x power 3. What is x power 3? அது minus x power 3 போட்டா நமக்கு minus x into minus x into minus x. Minus into minus plus plus into minus minus. So minus x cube. அதனால என்ன சொல்றேன்னா so minus ஓட பவர் odd number ஆ இருந்தா minus, even number ஆ plus ஆகும். அதனால இந்த plus x cube என்னவா மாறிடுச்சு minus x cube. So x ஓட பவர் even, so it is plus 7x square. இங்க 1 x ஓட பவர் odd, so outcome is what minus 7x plus 2. Now we find the number of sign changes. So minus 2 minus minus 2 minus minus 2 minus again minus 2 minus minus 2 minus. So இது வரைக்கும் எந்த sign changes ஆனா இங்க பாருங்க minus 2 plus ஒரு sign changes, அதுக்கப்புறம் plus 2 minus இன்னொரு sign changes, அதுக்கப்புறம் minus 2 plus இன்னொரு sign changes. So totally how many? 3 number of sign changes in the coefficients of p of x. So p of x cannot have more than 3 negative zeros by Descartes rule. So what is degree of the polynomial? 9. So we must have how many roots? 9 roots. So we got 4 positive roots and then 3 negative roots. So therefore how many real roots? 7 real roots. அப்ப எத்தனை non real roots இருக்கும்? 2 non real roots. So 2 non real roots. Now exercise 3.6 second question. Discuss the maximum possible number of positive and negative roots of the polynomials x square minus 5x plus 6 and x square minus 5x plus 16. Also draw rough sketch of the graphs. So first polynomial we will take as what? P of x, x square minus 5x plus 6. So number of sign changes in coefficient of p of x is equal to what? பாருங்க plus 2 minus minus 2 plus. So 2. So what is degree? Highest power of x is what? 2. So degree also here 2. அப்ப எக்ஸாக்ட்டா நமக்கு எத்தனை ரூட்ஸ் கிடைக்கும்? 2 ரூட்ஸ் கிடைக்கும். So number of sign changes in coefficients of p of x is equal to what? 2. So which implies p of x cannot have more than 2 positive roots. சரிங்களா? அப்ப இந்த டிகிரி நமக்கு 2 தான், பாசிட்டிவ் ரூட்ஸ் கண்டிப்பா இருக்கும், 2 தாண்டி போகாதுன்னு சொல்றாங்க. Let us find the negative roots. So p of minus x. So x square க்கு minus x the whole square போடுங்க, minus 5 க்கு என்ன x போட்டாங்க போடுங்க, minus x ன்னு போடுங்க, plus 6. So minus x the whole square is what? It is plus x square, minus into minus plus 5x plus 6. So our p of minus x is what? X square plus 5x plus 6. Here there is no sign changes. So number of sign changes in coefficients of p of minus x equal to 0. அப்ப கண்டிப்பா நமக்கு என்ன இல்ல, நெகட்டிவ் ரூட்ஸே இல்ல. So which implies p of x cannot have negative roots. So only 2 positive roots. அதே மாதிரி you take the second polynomial q of x. q of x is equal to what? X square minus 5x plus 16. Sign changes for plus 2 minus minus 2 plus. So number of sign changes in coefficients of q of x is equal to what? 2. So you must get what? 2 positive roots. அதாவது it cannot have more than 2 positive roots. Then we find q of minus x. X க்கு பதிலா minus x போட்டா plus x square, x க்கு பதிலா minus x போட்டா minus into minus plus ஆயிடும், அப்ப plus 5x plus 16. Here there is no sign changes. So number of sign changes equal to 0. So no negative roots. சரிங்களா? So இங்க என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்க பாரு, also draw rough sketch of the graph. So this is your homework. So நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும், இந்த ரெண்டு quadratic polynomialக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும், graph வரையணும். So your second homework. So what is your first homework? Exercise 3.5 ல 7 sum first homework. Second homework இது இந்த exercise 3.6 ல second question. Start பண்ணலாமா? Now exercise 3.6 third sum, show that exercise 3.6 third sum, show that the equation x power 9 minus 5x power 5 plus 4x power 4 plus 2x square plus 1 equal to 0 has at least 6 imaginary roots. So let us take the given polynomial as p of x. So x power 9 minus 5x power 5 plus 4x power 4 plus 2x square plus 1. So you will find number of sign changes. So what is number of sign changes பாருங்க, plus ல இருந்து minus, அதுக்கு அப்புறம் minus ல இருந்து plus, மற்றது எல்லாமே plus plus தான். So அப்ப ரெண்டே ரெண்டு sign changes தான். So number of sign changes 2. So which implies p of x cannot have more than 2 positive roots. More than 2 positive roots. சரிங்களா? We will find p of minus x. So எங்கெல்லாம் x வருது அங்கெல்லாம் minus x ன்னு போடுங்க. So இங்க minus x ன்னு போடணும்னா இருக்கும் minus x power 9. இங்க minus x போட்டா அது minus x power 5 ஆயிடும். So minus of minus plus. So plus 5x power 5. இங்க x க்கு பதிலா minus x போட்டா என்ன ஆயிடும், இது x power 4 ஆவே தான் இருக்கும். So plus as it is. So 4x power 4. x க்கு பதிலா minus x போட்டா ஏன்னா பவர் வந்து ஈவன் இருக்கு. So as it is 2x square then constant term 1. So number of sign changes பாரு minus ல இருந்து plus ஒண்ணே ஒண்ணு தான். So number of sign changes is equal to 1. So p of x cannot have more than 1 negative zeros, more than 1 negative root. சரிங்களா? அப்ப டோட்டலி நமக்கு எத்தனை ரூட்ஸ் பாருங்க, 3 ரூட்ஸ் இருக்கு. So how many real roots? So maximum number of real roots. Maximum number of real roots. So positive roots 2, negative roots 1. So 2 plus 1 3. அப்ப degree பாரு, நம்ம degree என்னது is equal to 9. We must get how many roots? 9 roots. So we have the maximum number of real roots for 3. So which implies minimum number of non-real roots is equal to what? 6. ஏன்னா 9 minus 3 is what? 6. So this is what we have shown, that the given equation has at least 6 imaginary roots. Now exercise 3.6 fourth sum. This you have to do by yourself. Take it as a homework. So what is the question? Determine the number of positive and negative roots of the equation x power 9 minus 5x power 8 minus 14x power 7 equal to 0. So how will you find the number of sign changes in p of x? அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணுங்க, x க்குலாம் minus x ஆ மாத்தி p of minus x கண்டுபிடிங்க. அதுல number of sign changes கண்டுபிடிங்க. So அதுல நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம், negative roots கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். சரிங்களா? So p of x ல sign changes பாருங்க. So அதுல இருந்து positive roots, அதுக்கு p of minus x கண்டுபிடிங்க. அதுல இருந்து என்ன பண்ணுங்க, negative roots பாருங்க. சரியா? p of x எடுத்து number of sign changes பாருங்க. So அதுதான் அது positive zeros. p of minus x கண்டுபிடிச்சி number of sign changes பாருங்க, அதுதான் அது negative roots. Now fifth sum, find the exact number of real zeros and imaginary of the polynomial. X power 9 plus 9x power 7 plus 7x power 5 plus 5x cube plus 3x. So let us take P of x is equal to x power 9 plus 9x power 7 plus 7x power 5 plus 5x cube plus 3x. Here there is no sign changes. அப்ப எல்லாமே பாசிட்டிவ் தான். சரியா? அப்ப number of sign changes is what? 0. So no positive zeros. And find P of minus x. X க்கு minus x போட்டனா இது எல்லாமே நெகட்டிவா மாறிடும். So minus x power 9 minus 9x power 7 minus 7x power 5 minus 5x cube minus 3x. So number of sign changes is what? 0. So no sign changes. So P of x has no negative zeros. அப்ப positive zeros இல்ல negative zeros இல்ல. சரிங்களா? அப்ப கண்டிப்பா நடக்கிறது இருக்கு. ரியல் ரூட்ஸ் இருக்காது நம்ம சொல்லலாம். ஆனா what is our P of x? X power 9 plus 9x power 7 plus 7x power 5 plus 5x cube plus 3x. So see that each term is what? Multiple of x. So I have taken x as common. So x into x power 8, x power 9, x into 9x power 6, 9x power 7, x into 7x power 4, 7x power 5, x into 5x square, 5x cube, x into 3, 3x. சரிங்களா? அப்ப P of x is equal to 0 போடும்போது நாம first root x is equal to 0 is a root. X is equal to 0 ன்றது real root. அப்ப மத்த எல்லா 8 roots கண்டிப்பா இருக்கும். Imaginary தான் இருக்கும். So thus it has 8 imaginary roots or imaginary zeros.